Yo, what's going on, man? We out here doing a little bit of celebrating. You know, my last video, the Midwest Fest 6, did 20,000 views. I appreciate y'all for that, man. YouTube did cut that check. So, we gonna turn up, man. It's only up from here, my baby. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the process. So we're gonna talk a little bit while that boy Prophet putting that work in over here, cause we celebrating. But the process continues, as you see. But we're gonna talk about my first 28,000 views video. You know what I mean? I appreciate y'all for tapping in, watching my videos. So basically, man, it's been a long process with this channel. I got some decent views over the last couple of years, man, but this is my first breakout video, basically. My Midwest Fest 6. If you ain't seen it yet, go check it out. I did 2 videos. I did the Midwest Fest Uncut. I did my own vlog video. So basically, man, I went to a car show, like a really popular car show. And I made sure I got there and got that video out as quick as possible, because I knew it was going to be really, it was all over Instagram, man, all over social media. So everybody was kind of looking forward to seeing that and seeing the event, the cars and everything, man. So I got it out here quick. And like I said, man, I'm enjoying it. I'm celebrating. I finally broke the algorithm, the YouTube algorithm. So basically, it's all about y'all, man. Really, what y'all do. The thumbnail matters. I put a nice thumbnail out, pretty much showed the cars that was there. Made it simple. It got everybody's attention. That's really important too, man. You gotta be able to get somebody's attention to watch that video. So I did that with the thumbnail. And the uncut was pretty much just straight to it, man. I really wasn't talking much. It was just showing the car, showing what was going on, and showing some of the females out there. Y'all really like the females in the video. That made a difference too. You know what I'm saying? But it's all about that algorithm, man. It's all about the view duration. Y'all gotta make sure y'all watch these videos all the way through, man. When y'all first get on somebody's video, show love by liking this video. Do that right now for me, man. Like this video. Make sure y'all like people's videos, leave comments, and watch the video all the way through, man. Y'all don't understand how that makes a huge difference with the way YouTube pretty much promotes my channel. If you watch it all the way through, it's showing engagement. If you like my video, it's showing that I'm putting out good content. That's going to make YouTube want to keep on basically promoting my videos. It kept putting my videos on the home page. So it's very important, man. What y'all do helps me bring out better content, man. So let's keep it going, you know. So like I said, man, I got my first 28,000 views video. It was mainly about going to a popular event, putting out what people really want to see. The main point of the video was what people want to see. And then I just try to make sure I have some good content, man. So again, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe, like my video, share, all that YouTube stuff y'all already know, man. I'm gonna keep this going. I kind of feel like all my videos should get 28,000 views from this point. You feel me? I expect that, man. Putting in work. This ain't easy, man. Doing all my own editing. I'm over here breaking this car down now so I can get this motor pulled out. I really didn't get that good of a response. I plan on doing this engine giveaway. It's a small block Chevy 350. I said I wanted to just make it for like my new subscribers and my existing subscribers. If y'all interested, man, we can figure something out. You know what I'm saying? Probably just shout me out for a couple days on my Instagram or my TikTok, whatever you want to do. New subscribers, man, subscribe. Like this video, leave me a comment saying you subscribed, and make sure you follow one of my social media platforms, Instagram, Eprofitdetroit _the process, man. Simple. Subscribe, follow me on social media, and you entered. If y'all want this motor, if you're interested. And please be local. I can't do no shipping, no delivery, man. It's gonna be pickup only. So, free 350 small block Chevy engine, man. Running, no problems, nothing wrong with it. So again, the process continues. I'm finna snatch this boy out. Hopefully I get some help. I got one of my YouTube basically followers, man. He's from the D. You want to come through, help your boy out. Hopefully he pulls up on me. If not, you know what I say, man. It's a do-it-yourself campaign out here, my baby. I'm getting it done. So, man, let's get to it, baby. All right, YT, so we back at it. Back in the garage. It's been a few weeks since the first half of that video. I just ain't really been motivated enough to get out here and put this work in. I just come out here and look at the garage and be like, not today. I just can't stay motivated, man. There's been a few things going on. Trying to get my personal life together. You know what I'm saying? Get my money up. Because, man, messing with these old schools take a lot of patience and money. You feel me? But I'm back on my grind, so I was going to just bring y'all one long video where my man pull up and help me pull this motor out. But I just figured I'm going to keep y'all updated and just bring y'all one half of this video now. You know, show y'all every little step. And what I realized when I pulled that front clip off, I was sitting here like, so how am I going to get the car out the garage now? Because it can't run with no radiator in that boy. So I did me a little quick bypass on my transmission lines and my radiator hoses. If you follow my Instagram and my TikTok, you should have already seen that video, but if you haven't, I'll put a little small clip up right now so you can see it. Alright, today's backyard boogie lesson. How to crank your engine up with the radiator bypassed. Let's get it. What you gonna need: a 1-inch steel pipe to bypass your radiator hose, top and bottom. Some hose clamps. And a 1/2 inch heater core hose, about 1 foot, for your transmission lines. And your red cup. Can't forget that. Make sure your hoses is clear of the fan, your belts, and crank that boy up. Temporary bypass so I can pull the car out the garage. Let's get it, man. So with that being said, now I can actually start the motor up and pull the car forward enough to put it in the driveway so I can pull out my cherry picker and get this show on the road. So one of my subscribers, he from Detroit, he gonna pull up on me and pull the motor out. He actually wanted to buy the motor. He got a 3rd gen Camino. His motor went bad, so he's like, man, I'll help you pull it out and I want it. So he wanted to buy it. So we good, man. So I was gonna do a giveaway, but I said either a giveaway or I was gonna sell it. Whichever one came first. So what's funny is he actually was one of my giveaway winners. My very first giveaway, I believe. He won some money from me. And I finna give it right back to me. Ain't that funny how shit work out? But it's all good. I appreciate the support. You know, he's showing mad love, so I'm gonna school the boy on something. We're gonna get this content in and go from there. So, oh, real quick too, like I said, that first half of this video was like probably about 3 weeks ago, man. So my video I made at Midwest Fest is actually at like 54,000 views now. So we still celebrating that. I appreciate y'all. So let's keep it going. And I ain't really got much more to say. It's just, like I said, this car gonna take a lot of work. I'm looking to getting it done for 2023. I think my biggest thing is going to be snatching this engine out. It's gonna help me stay motivated. I can come on in here and start getting this AC deleted and clean that firewall up some. Snatch these inner fender wells out, because I'm painting everything. I'm painting under the hood, the inner fender wells. I'm painting everything right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all this cleaned up, and I figured that once this motor get pulled out, I ain't got a choice but to go ahead and put this work in. So, and I low-key been seeing more and more things that got to get touched up first. Like I see a little crack on the frame right here. So I got more room to do some more inspections when I pull this motor out, because I really don't want to, you know, cut no corners. I don't want to start painting and it's things that's like the fundamentals, man. It's like the foundation ain't really solid, or I didn't, you know, take care of a few things before I painted the car. So I want to get everything on the bottom end straight first for the most part, and then paint it, slap my motor in there. You know how this goes. So, and again, I plan on doing either, I'm really close to just going 383. I've been seeing a lot of Elko builds on the gram, on YouTube. They got 383 strokers that's pushing, that's out here moving. You know, y'all keep screaming, go LS, go LS. I ain't no LS fan. I do not like computers, sensors, fuel injectors. I hate all that crap, man. You gotta put the gas pedal in, fuel injection for the fuel pump. It's cool, man, but it's just, to me, it's a headache. I can just slap a motor, trans, rear end, and I'm good out here. So that's my plan. New floor shifter, new bucket seats, paint job, wheels, QA1, coil-over suspension, you know, upper and lower control arms, front and back, stuff like that. And we out here pushing 400 plus horsepower. You feel me? So, but yeah, man, I actually want to start doing more videos outside of this car. I asked y'all before on my Instagram, should I just start blogging like my life, my day-to-day, some behind the scenes, some more Eprofit. So leave me a comment right now. Get in that comment section if y'all want to see more of me, more of my regular routine, man, outside of just building this car. I'm gonna start posting more videos. Some for my members only. I got a members only page, or a members only subscription going for this channel. I'm gonna post some videos there. Or if y'all like, nah, man, I just want to see the car, keep all that for yourself, I might start me a whole new channel, man. But I'm telling y'all, my life is lit. It's coming together. So we'll see, man. I'm gonna start just getting more motivated, because just putting this car together takes time. Ordering parts takes weeks for parts to come in, and it's gonna take me weeks to paint this car. It's taking me weeks to pull the motor out. So I don't want to just post a video every few weeks. I want to post a video consistently, man. So I want to show y'all more and more and more of profit. You feel me? So with that being said, again, leave me comments. If y'all want to see more of me, more of my life, more of the process, behind the scenes, say do that, Profit, in the comment section right now. Let's do it. Other than that, when my man pull up, it'll probably be in a few days, this weekend, weather permitting, because we in Michigan, man. This weather change on a day-to-day basis. It might be 80 degrees today and 25 degrees tomorrow. Who knows? But we're gonna snatch this motor out. I'm gonna show y'all all that whole footage. Y'all know how motors get pulled anyway, but still, I'm gonna record everything And hopefully I have me a cameraman over here to help me out. Cameraman, camera girl, somebody. You know, y'all might get see my new situation I got popping off over here. But we're gonna go from there, man. I'm gonna keep this show, keep the process rolling. The process continues, you feel me? Otherwise, it's gonna be a pretty short, hopefully a 10-12 minute video. Oh, let me say this too, man. I am glad I did break this down the way I did, because whoever had installed that motor, I guess, man, they just had the front end thrown back on there any type of way. It was like 2 screws holding the front bumper on. It was screws missing from their front clip. The radiator just in there any kind of way. So that's why I hate going behind people, because you never know how they do the job. They half-ass a whole lot of stuff. So I could have been out here rattling 24s with a fresh paint job with stuff just loose and rattling and all that crap, man. So got my front clip sitting right here. I want to get this redid, re-chromed, or I'm gonna buy a whole new front clip. That is actually part of my plans, to go fiberglass. No more chrome. No chrome front or back bumper. So fiberglass. You know, I'm getting my plans together, man. I'm finna start ordering stuff as we go through this little off season, winter season. I'm gonna start ordering parts so I can have everything just sitting over here waiting and ready to go. So I'm plotting. I'm getting my thoughts together. So all right, that's gonna be that. So like I always say, man, make sure y'all like this video, leave me a comment, share it, all that YouTube stuff y'all already know. I had 54,000 views on my last video. I hope this one right here get at least 500, man, 1,000 views ASAP. So help your boy out. Like this video, leave a comment. It helped my algorithm. It helped YouTube promote my channel and my videos more and more. The more y'all engage, the more love I get. So let's keep it going. This is my El Camino build. Let's get to it, baby.